Hi, welcome to Raw Math. Today I'm doing a series of videos on exponential and linear application problems. So this one says a bacteria has a half-life of 34 days. Find the model for the daily decay of the bacteria. Okay, so half-life means that our multiplication factor is 1/2. That's it. You don't have to do any work to get this factor, it's just given to you. It's like if I asked you to find an equation of a line and I just said, hey, the slope is 1/2. But the problem is that represents 34 days, and the question is asking for a single day. So it's going to take 34 multiplications of A at 1 day rate to get to 34. So what I need to do, because I need a fraction of this, the 1/2 has to be the full 34 days, and I need to get to a fraction of 34 days, I need to take the 1/2 and take it to the power of 1/34, and that will give me a 1 day rate. If I take 1/2 to the power of 1/34, I get 0.9798, which I'm going to round to 0.98. I usually like to go out 3 decimal places, but the 8's going to make the 9 a 0, so I may as well just do 2 decimal places, though you could put the 0 on the end of it if you want. So my model for half-life bacteria over time is 0.98 to the t. This is interesting because I don't give an initial amount for this first part because you don't need an initial amount to figure out A. And your initial amount will go here, and this rate is going to apply if you start with 100 grams or 1,000 bacteria or whatever. Whatever you are starting with, the initial can be put there. But this is saying for every bacteria, this is the decay rate over time. Okay, so if there are initially 2,500 bacteria, when will there be only 1,000? Okay, so we want to first say that B of t is initially 2,500 times 0.98 to the t, and then we're saying, hey, when is it 1,000? So when is 2,500 times 0.98 to the t equal to 1,000? Start by dividing by this 2,500. And I get that 0.98 to the t is going to equal 0.4. Okay, so then I'm going to take the log of both sides. Log of the left-hand side, log of the right-hand side. The beauty of taking log is it allows this exponent to come down and become a multiplier. Logs are used to make exponents real numbers. Exponents are counters, but once a log comes in, it makes the exponent a real number. So I get t times log of 0.98 equals log of 0.4. If I divide both sides by log of 0.98, I get that t is equal to 45.4 days. So I'll just leave this as my answer this time. All right, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my Facebook page, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks!